got one. Bro, remember, shotguns only. Here's a Maven.
Bro, it's gonna be harder if someone has like a good AR though.
If they're like spamming us from far, it's
over. It's actually
we have to have like shockwaves and stuff. I think the best bet is gonna be have like auto shotgun, not the striker.
Maven. Tell me.
Yeah, the
Doesn't even-
Maven.
He has a stinger, bro. He's not even good either, so. Pretty white. Dead.
Alright. There's a chest somewhere down here. What? Is it in the sewer? I'm so confused. I'm coming.
Yes, bro, it's a shotgun. Bro, I have no way.
I'm coming.
No, bro. Get out of my box.
It's
Out of my
soccer
box. Go around. What else is a hard challenge? What have I seen that? What?
Sniper only. Bum chest challenge.
Ooh, yes. One chat. That's for that I can do.
Right. Max boss, right? Yep. That'll help.
Yeah, if we get max boss, that'd actually help.
I do have a max. No, he has a gold pistol. Okay. I'm running.
Oh, we're actually so
That guy
good.
had a gold pistol and I couldn't pick it up.
Wait, you can pistol only?
He's coming.
Ready? Yes,
He has a
Puyo.
max price. Yeah, he does. No, he doesn't.
No, he has the good one
Max?
too.
No, Max Punk? Max Punk? Do you want Max Punk or Max Boss?
Boss.
Because Max Punk gives you infinite ammo. Here, you can have the boss. This gives you infinite ammo.
Actually?
Yeah, Max and Max Punk gives you infinite ammo.
That's W. But boss is actually really.
Yeah. Wait, there's a boss over here. I swear, if it's Void Blade, I'm actually crash out. Rebooting! Shoot, someone's at my house.
What's called
This part's gonna get edited out right here. Wait, gotta wait till the boss background noise leaves on my thing. Alright, we can kill him now.
Bro, what if it's off a galaxy? That big.
So I'm at 23 ammo, reload, and my ammo goes up. This is about to be cut out anyway. Oh yeah. Mythic Maven. There's a big fight over here. Not big, but there is a fight, and it looks like there's real players out.
Well, are you using controller or keyboard?
I'm on controller.
Good.
This challenge would be impossible. Dude, this guy has a good SMG. What is that?
I can't even, bro. I can't even.
Fine, I knocked one. This guy might have. I think this guy's poisoned with a pistol. That's why he's doing this. Oh my god. I'm in his box. He just like boxed me. Dude, he just builds up. I'm dead. Where's his body? Give me his med kit.
Dead?
You got him? Or is there other people?
He's not.
Gotta get the fish. This guy's a sweat. Okay, he didn't have poison ivy.
Max
pistol.
level 7? I don't have that.
I do. You can portable it if you want.
I don't even have.
Dude, the other guy, what Maven do you have? What rarity?
Blue. I meant green.
Hopefully we can
I'm at
get.
green. I'm at green. I'm at green.
All right, there's a under those builds over there. There's a body.
And
Oh, that's a burnt peanut from that chest.
we'll do a job.
Give us. Nope, no mavens.
I'll just index it one day.
Didn't even give me new 7 sliders. That's crazy. Okay. I'm gonna go to this vending machine and get new 7 sliders. Technically, the battle bus is a fair win.
I've seen 20 people get a battle bus win.
Do we? Wait, gold maven! You can buy a gold maven.
How much is it?
It's like 1,000 something. I can buy it for you. It's 1,500. How much do you have?
1,215.
I'll just buy it for you and leave it over here. You want a better maven or not? Yeah, watch this. Easy clip. Oh, I messed up the edit. Don't need that. Gold maven. Oh shoot. It's hard with the zone. I didn't realize this. Back 130 dead. Dead. Oh my god. Just get me in the zone. You have medkits? Okay. Oh, behind on the hill. Oh, yes. Oh. There's two. Yes. Ah! Where is it? Yes! We won! Let's go!